See, this is what we're talking about right here. What's up, everybody? I'm going to apologize for the wind noise. It's pretty windy out here at Race Wars. That's right, I said Race Wars. The Fast and Furious themed drag races. There's tons of sick cars here and all kinds of, dude, hot women. It's crazy, man. This is awesome. Welcome back to Fast Heritage, the YouTube channel dedicated to all things fast. As always, I'm your host, Colin, and over here behind me is the crew. There is Brian back there and Brian's truck rocking the Fast Heritage logo. It's a little windy out here, man, but that is the only thing that blows because this is all kinds of cool. We got Demons, we got Challengers, we got Corvettes, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, we got Mustangs, we got, oh dude, this is crazy. It's gonna be awesome. Let me share some of that experience with you. We just finished some lunch and yeah, let's have a good time. One of the coolest things that we're seeing out here is a lot of Hellcats, a lot of Demons, which sort of strikes close to home because we got a Hellcat in the family. Oh, here we go. Check it out. I'm telling you, just incredibly fast stuff coming through, like every what, minute on the minute. This is cool, man. So as I was said, those weren't any Hellcats or Demons or anything like that, but like I said, we got a Hellcat in the family, and it's really cool to see them come out here and flex their muscle. Fun fact, the Demon, this is the Dodge Challenger Demon, by the way. Speak of the devil, pun intended. It's so fast stock that the NHRA actually banned it from racing officially. So they sent a letter to the people over there at Dodge to let them know that the Demon has been officially banned from racing by the NHRA. And you know what they did with that letter? They freaking framed it and hung it on the wall. They're so proud of it. They got banned because it's too fast. It's too fast, but they're not banned from Race Wars. So we're seeing a few of them go down to the track today. I'm gonna see if I can't get some footage of that for you guys. Versus Demon. Hellcat threw down with a 9.863 quarter mile. It's a day of underdogs. I don't know what's going on over here, but it's freaking mayhem and it's awesome.
You ready? Set, go.
Holy crap, dude, that is so loud. You can feel that, like it's crazy.
Feels like we're at the gun range.
All right, not that it's needed, but that was a noise-making competition. It was a rev competition. The winner determined by the crowd. That was unbelievably loud, unbelievably cool. Speaking of unbelievably cool, check this out. Also unbelievably cool. Also unbelievably cool. This is Braden. Say what's up, Braden. Braden is a car fan. This is one of my very best friends. He's here with us today, rocking and rolling with all this bomb stuff. Also big fan of DDE. We shout out DDE on this channel quite a bit. They deserve it. What do you think? They do, huh? Yeah. He's shy. That's okay though.
My ears are adjusting.
Oh, he says his ears are adjusting. Yeah, mine too, man. Mine too. Yo, B+. I noticed you're not wearing a Fast Heritage hat today, but you have one, right?
Absolutely. It's in my truck.
If you didn't have one and you wanted one, how could you get one?
You can show us your whip. Tell us about it.
That's right.
Free hat, free shirt.
That's right. Fast car, fast boat, fast plane, fast spaceship. You got something fast and it's interesting, we want to talk to you. That's one way you can get merch. You cannot buy merch right now. You can't buy it, but you can get it and be one of the first few people to actually rock a hat, a shirt, a shirt, maybe a hoodie. I don't know, it depends. How interesting is your ride? How interesting is you? So drop a comment below. If you want to share something with us and you're local to the Southern California area and you want some dope friends like this, reach out. Lady.
Oh, hi.
See that tractor right there?
Yeah.
Just threw down a 10-second quarter mile.
Yeah.
I never did get very good at being able to tell like what year cars were, like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
you looked right at it, you were like 1970 Camaro. How sure are you?
It's either 70 or 71.
70 or 71?
I couldn't see the bumper.
You know who's really good at that?
Right?
My mother.
Oh,
Anything before like 1975, my mom, she can call it out. Make, model, year, the exact year. It's really, yeah. She's not like car people, you know, or like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
she's got a memory on her photographic memory.
Well, it's insane. It's because when she was growing up, my grandfather always had the newest cars, so they were always car shopping. But you called Braden out. But you're right. You're right. Braden, right there. He knows his modern cars, especially exotics, huh, Braden?
Yep.
Yeah? Which one's your favorite?
Lamborghini Performante.
Lamborghini Huracan Performante? That's not a bad choice. It's not a bad choice. For me, my dream car? Murdered out Mustang, throws down a quarter mile in.
See, that's why I don't want to Ford. Audis knock them out.
The Audi did knock him out at 12.1.
That's right.
Ford threw down at 12.5. So I'm thinking my dream car. So, you know, if you don't call it out, then it's not a real thing, right? What's your guess? My first.
What's my guess on what, bro?
My first supercar.
Oh, it is a Ferrari.
So far, so good. So, ooh,
458.
yeah, yeah, white with black rims. So you guys can watch it happen. Watch.
All right, we're gonna bring up.
Mustang took it. I'm a soccer dad.
It's like baby inside on the back.
Totally have that fucking.
We're never late to school.
Baby on board.
Never been late to school yet. I'm gonna be late, Dad. No, you're not.
Coming around. All right.
That's all the prosperity. Dude, that charger was loud.
Yeah, well.
Yo, B+, somebody took your generator and put it right here. See your generator?
Yeah, looks just like it, only a little bigger. Wow.
Honda, reliable, can do anything. Take a generator and push a tiny little truck. Perfect for the streets of Japan.
We gotta get this.
Brian says we gotta get this. I tend to agree with Brian most of the time. We're basically the same person.
Little hatchback Civic.
Honda hatchback throwing down to 10.6 at 128 miles per hour from a Civic. So we just went from bagging on Honda because of this POS. That's not unimpressive.
I'm thinking he borrowed my generator.
Remember I told y'all we got a Hellcat in the family? We got a Hellcat in the family. More to come on that soon. All right, so we got to see some races, have some fun, enjoy the wind and the noise associated with it. It's a little chilly now, but it still is comfy. Came back to the Brian's big old truck, so we could just have a beverage and relax as this thing winds down. So we're gonna crack it and yeah, just chill.